Hello.
Hi.
What are you selling?
We have Filipino strippers on sale for the winter bash. Um, $25 an hour, imported straight off the dock.
Straight off the
Nope.
dock, Filipino hookers, you said.
Yep. No papers, no nothing. Um,
How
yeah,
much
that's
are
all I
they?
can say. 25 an hour.
25 an hour. That ain't bad. I'd get her done. How much for 15 minutes?
Um, I can. I. You guys can just have them.
Oh,
I'm
we
trying to
can
get
just
rid of
have them,
them.
you said. We're trying to
I'm
get
just
rid
trying
of
to
them.
get rid of them.
Can they cook egg rolls?
Um, Not their strong suit, but they can whip up some nasty ramen noodles
Oh, okay. Well, that's good.
and some pork adobo. I know you like them. Yo.
Yes. All right. Well, we'll take two. Just leave them
All right.
outside on the doorstep. We'll get them in the morning.
All right. FedEx or UPS, regular
No,
mail,
just
like postal
regular
services.
mail.
Postal services. All right. Yeah, we'll have that express shipping. Coochies might stink a little. Don't worry. We'll send some shampoo bottles, some bathrobes. They'll be okay. Um, I don't know. We'll have to put some holes in the boxes. Maybe I don't know.
Poke some holes
Maybe
in the
put
box.
some like
You can
maybe
breathe.
put some like bedding down,
You know, they're
like
telling me
some
someone's
I don't know
here.
some wood chips. Maybe some wood chips for them to lay down on to make it a little bit more comfortable. You know.
Wood chips for the shipping crate. Okay, bye. Wow, that escalated quickly.